Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Let's start today's music workout. Let's start with this kick. This is a short kick, guys, and this kick is amazing for future rave genres and, of course, main stage genres. These two genres have many overlaps in the music production techniques and tricks. Let's take a listen to the solo of this kick. This is very short. If you pay close attention, this is a 16th note. This is very amazing to blend it with a very fat and powerful sub bass. And in most of EDM genres, the length of the kick is 1/16, as you can see right here. And right here, this is 1/16. And my recommendation to you guys is that if sometimes you choose a kick and you don't know what lengths you are looking for, always start with this 16th note right here and cut all the low end right here by adjusting your fades, and 90% of the time you are good to go, and it is a safe thing to do. Beautiful kick. And this kick is a little bit dull at the top end of the frequency spectrum, above, for example, 3K. So I added this top kick from Cashmere Packs. It is adding a little bit of body and a little bit of top end, but I don't need the body right here. So in the processing, first of all, I monoed this top kick right here because it was adding side informations and I didn't want the side informations for the kick on this mix. And guys, most of the times your kicks are centered in the middle of the stereo image without any side informations. So I monoed this top kick right here. I roll off the high end. So we just have the high mid and high end of the top kick right here, no body. And now it just blends with the main kick right here. And after that, I wanted to match the release of this top kick with our main kick. So as always, I used transient master right here and I decreased the sustain of the top kick. Now it is very punchy. I turn it off. Dirty and very messy. Amazing. Now with our main kick together. Boom. Amazing kick right here. After that, guys, a very important element, and in most EDM genres and most EDM music today, the percussions are very, very important. And most of the songs that I make or most of the songs that I'm remaking, the producers are paying very, very special attention to the percussion section of their songs. There are two percussions right here. The processing is off, so they might not sound good at the start. Let's take a listen to both of them. Amazing rhythm. I start off with this percussion first. I roll off the high end. I wanted to make it a deeper percussion and I didn't want it to occupy the high end because the high end is filled with this top kick right here and it is going to be filled with a melody synth right here. So a very deep percussion by rolling off right here around this frequency area. Now this is a deep percussion. And I didn't want it the low end to mess with the sub and bass frequencies. So I reduced the low end right here. A beautiful percussion right here. And after that, this rhythm percussion. Let's take a listen to the solo of it. Here, I'm adding a lot of distortions to make it like S-Relax percussion sometimes. A lot of saturation and distortion. And after that, I'm making it wider. Very nice. And guys, one important thing about this wider plugin, I use it all the time. And 90% of the time, it doesn't have phase cancellations. And you can widen your sounds very safely and very easily. This is amazing, yeah. amazing. And in the boss group, I'm adding my room reverb preset right here. You can download this project, guys. The link is in the description, and you can use all the presets and all the plugin racks, etc. And yes, the decay is at 1.31 right here, and this is driver channel, and it is making the percussions glue together and make them softer. I turn it off. Very abrupt. So many bad cuts right here. This reverb glues them all together. Amazing. Together in the whole context of this music. Wow. Beautiful main stage music and beautiful future rave. Now guys, the most important element in this drop, in my opinion, is this rumble sub bass that Morten is using. And we can hear this rumble sub bass in new main stage music and a lot of future rave music that are released lately. And guys, so many producers ask me, and I had struggled with this sub bass too in the past. They are easy to make, but they need a little bit of creativity. But the simplest way and the easiest way and the most efficient way is to use this sample in Kashmir Volume 4, Kashmir Frequency Filler number 7, Low Rumble. This is a very quality rumble sub right here, very easy. And in these genres, you just need one note of sub. Usually the note of the sub remains consistent and it is just used only for one note. And here I have put my warp mode on Complex Pro to keep the details of this sub bass, and then I just put it down one semitone to match with the key of this song, and that's it. Let's take a listen to the solo of this. And guys, you have to listen to I hope you see my tutorials on quality headphones or quality monitors, because you need them to hear this stuff. Let's take a listen to the solo of this rumble sub. Boom. This is amazing. Wow. Yeah, this is the only thing that you need to make a powerful sub bass for this genre. A dirty rumble sub right here. And here I just increase the sub bass around 5 dB to add weight to my mix right here. After that, I used Spectre to add some weight to my low mid frequencies right here. I distorted this area, my low mid, very important. Let's take a listen with these two plugins. I turn it off. Weak, but with these two, very strong. And after that, I lowered the width of this sub and I wanted to make it in the center, but I needed a little bit of side information. And most music that are released lately, they have a little bit of stereo information in the sub frequencies. I mean, from 80 kilohertz and above. And this is our rumble sub, amazing together with the other elements. Beautiful. I'm in love. Perfect. And at the end, guys, the main melody and the main scenes right here. And this is very funny that Morten has used these scenes. This is the simplest preset that you can find in the world. This is a very simple saw. Let's take a listen to the solo of it. Sounds so ugly, but we are going to make it perfect. Yeah, this is the sound. There is nothing in it. I used basic MG. You could use the basic shapes and a very simple saw, but I wanted to add some more harmonies and I wanted to add some imperfections to my sound. So I used this one to make it more analog, and that's it. And here I used a little bit of hyper dimension right here to add some width to the sound and nothing else. Here I added decapitator. A lot of saturation to the sound to make it more analog and more powerful. And guys, before going to this reverb, this kick aside right here is beside helping the mix down, it is helping the musicality and the rhythm of the scenes. With the reverb, the modern color of this Valhalla Vintage right here, the driver channel, and I added OTT after the reverb to bring it up. And this is a technique to put OTT after the reverb, and it makes you very close to the main stage genres and future rave genres in your lead scenes and drive it. Only in the wet channel I'm using OTT after the Valhalla. I turn it off. The reverb is somehow gone. But with the OTT, I'm compressing it and I'm bringing it up to the mixdown. Amazing. And now together with the beat, this is pure Morten Future Rave. Wow. Super powerful, super easy. Guys, as you have noticed, everything is with cashmere packs, plus this very simple saw wave right here and nothing else. And you can do it with the simplest tools that you have right now. Just a little bit of creativity and a little bit of education gets you at whatever level you wanna be. And thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comments. And as you know, I love you so much, and I see you in the next video.